Good afternoon, everyone. Let us do the remaining practice questions. So, all of you, please take your workbook, page number 11. Page number 11.
Ma'am, which book?
Workbook. Workbook, page number 11. Workbook. Okay, page number 11. So, all of you, please see question number 9. What is missing in the pattern? 1A1, 2A2, 3B3, 4B4. So what will come next? 1A1, 2A2, 3B3, 4B4. What will come next? So the numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So what will come next? And the letters are A, A, B, B. So what will come next? Devananda, please unmute and tell me what will come next.
1A1,
Ah,
2A2,
ah,
3B3,
ah,
4B4,
ah. Next what will come? Here 1, see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we should write next?
5.
5. So 5, 5. Now the letter. Because here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So next 5, 5. Now the letter A, A, B, B. So what we should write next?
C.
C. Yes. So what is the next term? 5C, 5. Have you understood now? Have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
so 5C, 5. 11. Now, next one. Draw the basic shape in the given pattern. Draw the basic shape in the given pattern. Yes, Veda. Unmute. Tell me. What is the
Diamond
basic
shape.
Oh, diamond shape. Correct answer, dear. Good. So all of you can draw a diamond shape. That is the basic shape.
And page number.
Page number 11. And those who have completed this much, take your textbook. Take your...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah,
We want to write only the diamond page.
only you want to draw the diamond shape. Nothing else. No need to color, nothing you want to do. Just draw the diamond shape.
Thank you for the. Ma'am, page number.
Page number 11. First workbook. Ah. So those who have completed this one, you can take your textbook.
Ma'am, which page in textbook?
Ah, now is there anybody left to complete this one?
No, ma'am. Page number.
Completed?
Yes, page number. Yes,
Now take your textbook page number 18. Textbook page number 18.
Ma'am, 18.
Sorry?
18.
Yes, 18. 1-8.
Ma'am, I take.
Textbook page number 18. I hope it's clear to you. Now let me mute you all one by one. We can discuss these questions. Here you can see some patterns. Example 6. We are discussing now example 6. Filling the missing letters or numbers in these patterns. One is done for you. The first example. A. 1A, 3B, 5C, 7D. So all of you see the numbers. Already the answer is given. Still you understand that. 1. After that 2 is not there. 3. After 3, 4 is not there. 5. After that 6 is not there. 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. So next what will come? 8 is not there. 9. After that 10 is not there. 11. After 11, 12 is not there. 13. Okay. Like that the letters. A, B, C, D. Then E will come. F, G. Okay. This 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are called 11, like that it will continue. These numbers are called odd numbers. Okay, so here you will learn that. Odd numbers. Just keep in mind odd numbers. Okay, that let it be there. Now here, all of you see the next pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8. After 2, 3 is not there. 4. After 4, 5 is not there. 6. After 6, 7 is not there. 8. So what will come next? All of you fill that. Try to fill that. Right? Try to fill that. Afreen. Completed.
Yes.
After 8, what will come? After 8? Listen here, listen here. Wait, unmute. 2, after that 3 is not there. 4. After that 5 is not there. 6. After 6, 7 is not there. 8. So alternate numbers. So next what will come, dear? Unmute and say. If it is wrong also, no problem.
10.
10. After 8, 9
10.
is not there. 10. After 10, what will come?
12.
12. Correct. After 12, what will come?
14.
Yes. Now it's correct. Good. After 12, 13 is not there. 14. This 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, like that. These numbers are called even numbers. Okay. Even numbers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. You can mute your audio. Have you all understood?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am.
next question. Next one. That is only letter. A, then C, E, G. After A, B is not there. C. After C, D is not there. E. After E, F is not there. G. Alternate letters. So after G, what will come? All of you think and write. Think and write. Malavika, you got chance morning. Okay. Have you got, dear? Am I correct? So those who got chance in the morning, please Okay, I'll let others get chance. Prithvi, please, Prithvi. Ah, Prithvi, please unmute. Can you say what will come next?
14.
I'm asking this one, question C. A, after that B is not there, C. After C, D is not there, E. After E, I. Alternate letters. After G, H is not there, I. Correct, dear. Let me ask somebody else. Suryesh, please unmute and tell me the next. Is not there. Ahyan, tell me the next one. Please unmute and tell me the next one. Unmute. After I, what will come?
K.
K, yes, correct. After I, J is not there, K. Now, Shivanedya. Next, what will come after K?
K. M.
M, yes. L is not there. M. So, alternate letters. Now, D. 1, 4, 7, 10. Anyway, it is increasing order. So, something we should add. So, 1 plus, after 1, see, after 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 3, 4. Then 4 plus again 3. 1 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Then after 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We have to add 3 with the number. Have we got? After 1, 4 is written. So check how many added. After 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 added. Then after 4, 7. 4, 5, sorry, 5, 6, 7. Then after 7, 10. 8, 9, 10. Then after 10, what will come? All of you write.
30.
Awesome. Wait, let others think. All of you try to fill it yourself. Devadash, please, Devadash TD, please unmute and tell me the answer. Next box, what we have to write? 1. After that, 4. After that, 7. After that, 10. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So next what will come? Unmute, dear. Unmute. Unmute and give me answer. 10 plus 3. What will come? 10 plus 3. Unmute. 10 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. Take 3 fingers after 10. After 10, what is the next number after 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10?
11.
11. Then, after 11?
12.
12. After 12?
19.
After 12? 10, 11, 12. After 12?
13.
13. So 10 plus 3 is 13. So you have to write 13 in this box. Now 13 plus 3, what we will get?
9.
13 plus
19.
3. After 13? After 13, take 3 fingers. After 13? 14. 15.
16. 17.
17. Only 3 fingers you have to take. After 13, 14. Take 3 fingers. Everyone, take 3 fingers. After 13, 14, 15, 16. So what we should write in the next box?
16.
60. Now 16 plus 3 again. 16 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. What will come next? After 16?
16.
After 16?
17. 18.
Ah.
19.
Oh, yes. So next, the last box, 19 we should write. So we have to add 3. 16, 19, 13, 16, 19. So take 3 fingers and add. Understood this one? Now please try the next one. Please wait. Next one. 22, 20, 18, 60. It's a backward counting because it is decreasing. After 22, 21 is not there, 20 is there. Then next 19 is not there, 80. Then 17 is not there, 60. Alternate numbers. When backward counting, alternate numbers. 22. After that 21 is not there, 20. Then 19 is not there, 80. Then 17 is not there, 16. Yes, I am. What is the next one?
40.
14. Yes, after 16 is 15 is not there. 14. After 16, 15 is not there. 14. Correct, my dear. Now, Sahasra, please unmute. What will come next? Backward counting, alternate numbers.
20.
Sorry? Sorry? Here, after 16, 15 is not there, 14. So, next what will come? Yes, Sarah will help you. Sarah, tell me. What will come? Sorry?
12.
12. Yes. After 14, 13 is not there. 12. It's backward counting and alternate numbers. Correct answer, my dear. Have you understood? Now, next number. Who will give me answer? Anmia Regal. Give me the next answer. What will come next?
I5.
No. Question E I am asking. 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12.
10.
10. 11 is not there. 10. It's backward counting and alternate numbers. Is there any doubt in this pattern?
Ma'am, next one, can I tell Afia?
Yes, I will give you a chance. Please wait. Morning, I will see. Now last pattern. M9, L8, K7, J6. So first let us see the letters. M, L, K, J. These letters have written in backward order. So M, L, K, J. What will come next? Yes. I can see. Veda again. What happened? Afia's. Oh, okay. Afia, please unmute and tell me what will come next.
I5.
Yes. Here the numbers also in backward order: 9, 8, 7, 6. So first, let us see the letter M, L, K, J, I.
I.
Then the number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Correct answer, my dear. Correct answer. Now, Rose, next one. Ah,
H4.
H4. Correct answer. After I, H will
G3.
come. After 5, 4 will come.
G3.
Sorry? G3. Correct answer. Now, our pattern chapter, everything is over. We have done both workbook and textbook problems. Now, those who have completed this one, we can do some revision now. So take your notebook or rough book, whatever you have, take it out. Those who have completed this much, have you all completed? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you, please take your notebook. The same pages I will send in the group. So if coloring anything is pending, you can do it later.
No,
Now,
back side.
no, as a continuation, as a continuation. Now I'm going to share few questions. These questions, no need to write because the same question as
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
share in the group. So no need to copy down the questions. Please try to answer this. Then later we will discuss the answer
Okay,
and
ma'am.
I will take a small test. Okay?
Okay.
So first, what do you want to do? I will share a few questions. No need to copy down the question. Again and again, I am telling, no need to copy down the questions. Please try to write the answer. Then we will discuss the answer. After that, I will conduct a test. Ready?
Book or notebook?
Whatever you have. If you have rough book, you can write in that. Otherwise, if you have notebook,
Ma'am, I have rough book with me.
if you have rough book, you can write in that. No problem.
Ma'am,
Because the same questions I will share in the group. So you can copy down the question later. Only now you have to write the answer. No need to write the question. You can write the answer either in the notebook or in the rough book. Okay? So please wait. I'll share the questions. No, again and again I'm telling, no need to write the questions. Please write the answer either in the notebook or in the ref book. I'll read the questions for you. Try to say that, write the answer. After that, we will discuss the correct answer. Try to write. So first question, you can put question number 1. Put today's date. Put today's date and write question number 1. No need to copy down the question. Only answer. By repeating a shape many times, we get a dash. Only answer. Try to write. If you don't know, also no problem. We will study that. By repeating a shape many times, we get a dash. Only answer. No need to write the questions. Now, question number 2. First question once again. By repeating a shape many times, we get a dash. Second one, what are repeated parts of patterns called? What are repeated parts of patterns called? What are repeated parts of patterns called? Now, third question, straight triangle, inverted triangle, straight triangle, inverted triangle. Only fill two more shapes. Straight, inverted. Only the answer you have to draw. Straight, inverted. What are the next two? Now, fourth question. 11A or 11A, 21B, 31C. What will come next? 11A, 21B, 31C. What will come next? Next two terms we have to write. Next two terms. 1, 1, 2. So see the numbers. 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. So what will come next? A, B, C. After that, what will come? Now, fifth question. Fifth question. This one already we have done. So it will be easy for you to do. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. After 1, 2 is not there, 3. After 3, 4 is not there, 5. After 5, 6 is not there, 7. After 7, 8 is not there, 9. Alternate numbers. Is also got odd numbers. Fill two more numbers. The next one also same way. No need to write the questions. The questions I will share in the group. Only try to write answer. And let us see whether the answer is correct or wrong. We'll discuss the answer also. Next, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. After 2, 3 is not there, 4. After 4, 5 is not there, 6. After 6, 7 is not there, 8. After 8, 9 is not there, 10. Again, alternate numbers. These numbers are called even numbers. If you know, you write. No need to check the book. Okay. If you know, you write, no problem. Try to think yourself and write. Alternate numbers. So after 10, what won't be there? And what we have to write? Now, question number 7 is backward counting. 15. After that, 14 is not there. 13. Then, after 13, 12 is not there. 11. It's backward counting. So 15. After 15, what should come? 14. But 14 is not there. 13. Then after 13, again 12 is not there. 11. Then see the backward counting, alternate numbers. Now let us see the answers. Okay, if it is wrong also no problem. Let us see the answers are correct or wrong.
Do you write notebook?
Yes, in the notebook. Okay. Ashif, first question. Ashif, by
Ma'am, mine
repeating
are
a shape
finished.
many
Yes,
times, we get a dash. Any
yes,
idea? Yes, correct
ma'am.
answer. Pattern.
Right
By
notebook.
repeating a shape many times, we get pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N.
Ma'am, right the
Pattern.
notebook.
Now, second question. What are repeated parts of patterns called? Anna, what are repeated parts of patterns called? Do you know answer, my dear? No. Andron, can you say answer? Repeated parts of pattern.
Basic shape.
Basic shape.
Basic
Yes.
shape.
B-A-S-I-C-S-H-A-P-E. Basic shape. Correct answer. Now, question 3.
Ma'am, in the
Triangle,
notebook.
straight triangle, inverted triangle. Straight triangle, inverted triangle. What will come next?
Ma'am, in the
Dia KP,
notebook.
what will come next? Straight triangle, inverted triangle, straight. Sorry?
Straight triangle.
Sorry?
Straight triangle.
Straight triangle. What will come next?
Ma'am, inverted triangle.
Inverted triangle. Okay. Now, next question. 11A, 21B, 31C. So 11, 21, 31. What will come next?
Ma'am, in
You will say.
the notebook.
Diksha Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1.
41D.
Yes, 41. The A, B, C, D. Correct. Now,
Then
who is that?
51D.
Malavika. Malavika, tell me the next term. After 41D?
51E.
Yes, 51E. Okay. And these two questions we already done today. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What will come next? Ishan. Ishan, what will come next? 1, 3. After 1, 2 is not there, 3. After 3, 4 is not there, 5. Then 6 is not there, 7. What will come? Ishan? Is it 10?
8.
Alternate numbers, my dear. It's not backward counting. It's not backward counting.
Ma'am, Frintel.
Yes, Afrin.
11.
11. After 9, 10 is not there. 11. Ishan, alternate numbers. So what will come next after 11?
13.
13. Okay. So after 9, 10 is not there. 11. After 11, 12 is not there. 13. Like that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What will come next? Yes. After 2, 3 is not there, 4. After 4, 5 is not there, 6. After 6, 7 is not there, 8. After 8, 9 is not there, 10. Again, alternate numbers. Arav, will you say answer? Who can say? Yes, those who know, tell me the answer.
Rose.
Yes, Rios already got chance, no?
Ma'am, did we want to take that?
My dear, who knows the answer? After 10, what will come?
Ma'am, in right notebook or notebook.
12. After 10, 11 is not there. 12.
Next,
After 12, what will come? 14. After 12, 13 is not there. 14. Okay. Now, question number 7 is backward counting. 15, 13, 11. After 15, 14 is not there. 13.
10.
After 13, 12 is not there. 11. So next what will come?
10.
Oh, 10. We should write 10.
9.
9. 10 is not there. 9.
7. Next one 7.
7. After 9, 8 is not there. 7.
Next one is 7.
Yes, 9, 7. So, I'll share these questions again in the group, but I have to conduct a test. So, shall I share the link in the group? Anyway, only our time is up. If I share the link in the group, will you all do that?
Yes.
Okay, try to submit now itself. And we can see in the happy hour today. Okay, so before that, try to submit.
Complete. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you.
Bye, ma'am.